So on the Sitka Mountain Harness, to attach this, you're going to need to measure. So get your Bino harness down here centered, and the top of this backer right here, just get it up tight against the bottom of the Bino harness like that. Then you're going to straighten these out, and you're going to make a mark right underneath this snap on both sides, and then that's where you're going to burn your holes. So once you get your holes, they'll look like this. And on this one, you don't get the nail red hot. You get it just up to before red hot. This material burns a lot faster than like on the QU kit, so you don't need to get your nail red hot. But on both sides, you get your hole there, and then we'll attach the hardware. So on the Sitka versus the QU, you're going to get this little rubber washer, and that goes on the post portion that looks like this with a slot, and that goes on the front side. And then this portion of the snap goes back here, and the screw will go through the center of that hole. Make sure you Loctite this so it doesn't come undone on you. Okay, once you've got both sides installed, looks like that, and then this just slides up here and snaps on. These are one-way snaps, so you have to start from this side and then clip the top in. And the same thing over here. Start from the bottom and then clip the top in. And those are one-way snaps, so they will not come off this way. You have to pull from this side to get them off. So that's how that'll hang on there. And then you'll have a waist belt off of these two straps here. Your waist belt will go there. These are to run it as a chest rig. Unfortunately, with the Sitka Bino harness, the straps will not hook up to these, so you need to get a set of straps from FHF, Alaska Guide Creations, or Marsupial Gear.